Are you ready to unlock the secrets of successful business networking? Well, if you are, stay tuned in, because we're going to cover 3 game-changing tips that will not only transform your networking skills, they will elevate your business to whole new heights. I'm James Vincent, and today we're diving into the deep world of business networking. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or you're just starting out in the world of business, these 3 tips are going to help you master the art of networking for your business. But before we get started, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you stay updated on all of the latest strategies for entrepreneurial success. Now, let's jump into the 3 essential tips for mastering networking in your business. Tip number 1. This comes from one of the greats, one of the all-time greats. You might have heard of him. His name is Dale Carnegie. He wrote a number of books. His most famous book is How to Win Friends and Influence People. And that's exactly what you're going to do, and everyone in your business is going to do every single time they go to networking, because you're going to apply this concept. Imagine now a Post-it note. And on the Post-it note is the letters FISH. On this Post-it note. Now, imagine in your mind's eye that Post-it note is on the forehead of everyone that you speak to. FISH. And what we're going to do is we're going to win friends and influence people. And the FISH is going to remind you of how to communicate with every single person that you meet. And FISH stands for this. Get a pen, write this down. Make me feel important, safe, and happy. That's your number 1 job. Tip number 2, body language. Now, by this time, you've already decided if you like me or not. You've already decided if that resonates, if I'm trustworthy, all of these kind of things. And that's what happens when you or anyone from your business goes networking. They meet people. Very quickly, people will judge. They will make judgments. How approachable you are, what the smile on your face is like, how open your body language is. Here's a few little tips and tricks. Make sure that you show the palms of your hands a number of times as you're walking up to people. It shows that you're not a threat. Probably put that smile on your face. Make people feel warm and welcome. So, here's the real bit though. And it's about the impact of your communication through body language. Now, why do I say through body language? Because that's the biggest thing. So take note of these 3 numbers, 7, 38, and 55. 7, 38, and 55. All of these contribute to the impact that you'll make in networking. 7% of the impact that you'll make will be from the words that you choose to say. Words. 7% will come from that. So it's quite a lot, but it's also quite small. So choose your words wisely. 38, what's that? Well, 38% of your impact in networking will be how you say those words. Are you speaking fast? Are you speaking quietly? Are you speaking slowly? What's the tone? Is there a warmth? Is there a sensitivity? Etc. Choose deliberately on how you use those words. And look, combine that, you've got 45%. That's a huge amount of impact if you get the right words and say it in the right way. Now, 55% of the impact that you're going to make on all of the people that you meet at networking, and look at what I'm doing right now in terms of body language, it's going to be the body language that you use. Practice what you say, practice how you say it, and practice using body language to communicate effectively. That is tip number 2. Tip number 3 on networking. You've all heard of the word integrity. Do what you say. Say what you're going to do when you meet people. Say what you're going to do. I'm going to give you a call later on in the week. Let's get that meeting. Follow up. Follow through. The magic in networking is in the follow up and follow through. You've always got to say that you're going to do that when you meet people. Commitment to doing what you said you're going to do. It's actually developing that whole sense of integrity by yourself, living and breathing your commitments. So always say what you're going to do at the end of meeting anyone, and always do what you say you're going to do. I hope you found these insights incredibly valuable. Now, if you'd like to learn more about entrepreneurial success, just click here and visit the Learning Centre for free business advice, or click on the link below and see our entire playlist of videos that can help you achieve your business potential. Because being in business should give you more life.